Yo, welcome back to the channel, everyone. Hope you guys are having a great day. Now, this video, we're gonna be going ahead and getting the remaining lighting as well as some front end restoration done for my 2004 Mustang GT. If you guys missed last video, go ahead and check that out. I'm gonna go ahead and have it linked up here right now. I went ahead and installed some new headlights, or some new to me headlights. They were the same headlights from before, but I just got a brand new set because I really liked them and they just kind of flowed well with the car. And I also went ahead and I got fog lights. I got a new third brake light, as well as I got a new Mach 1 chin spoiler. All that's gonna go in the car today. Now, unfortunately, I'm gonna have to take some of the stuff to the shop to get it installed because, number one, the bolts for the fourth brake light, or I said fourth like it's a BRZ, for the third brake light are actually stripped out, so I don't have a saw. They'd have to get cut out. I don't want to really go in there and like bang anything out and potentially damage something, so I'm gonna go ahead and get that stuff taken care of. Also, there's gonna have to be some, I believe, soldering for my fog lights because it appears that some of the wiring is just not there. So I'm kind of curious on what the previous owner did to the fog lights with this car. I don't know, but we're gonna go ahead and get that taken care of today. The car is gonna look completely different as far as the front end goes and partial rear end. The only thing I need to really do to this car to kind of restore it fully, even though it really isn't, you know, a car that needs to be fully restored, is a brand new front bumper, get that repainted white, and also a brand new rear bumper, get that repainted white. I honestly could probably just repaint the current ones, but they're cheap, so we're just gonna go ahead and get a brand new one for the rear as well as the front. And then I might go ahead and put a 4-inch cowl hood on the car, get that painted white, obviously, but yeah, who knows. And I think that's honestly probably just gonna be it, you know, minus some tedious things like wheels and, you know, stuff like that, and boost. So hope you guys do enjoy. Pick this video up when I get everything installed in the car, so we can go ahead, drive around, and kind of take a look at how everything is going to play out, man. I'm really curious to see how the smoked fogs with the clear black housing headlights are gonna look, and this Raxiom third brake light, because the one I have in the car right now, let me go ahead and show you guys this actually. This is terrible. This is just completely destroyed. I don't know, that just completely oxidized. New headlights. Now we got the fogs. They don't even run. Obviously we need to get new front bumpers, and the paint is kind of messed up. I had to go ahead and take a paint into that, but it looks decent for now. You really can't tell at night. Only you can tell like clear day if somebody were looking at it, but overall, you know, just some minor things to get freshened up. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and pick the video up later when everything's installed, and I'm gonna catch you guys in a bit. Let's get like a partial cold start going right here. I mean, not even really a cold start. But y'all get the point. You can finally turn those on. Finally got some fogs. Alright, we can get this little night drive going. Hope you guys can see decent. I just realized I don't have... Oh shit. I just realized, or at least I don't think I have high beams. Ha! Well, that's something. Oh, yes I do. Got this box here next to me. This is actually the chin spoiler box that's flying around in the car. This is actually going to be most likely the last video of this exhaust. Again, I kind of made a video, or last video I kind of teased that I was going to do exhaust for the car. I'm going to go ahead and install that and then make a video, obviously with the first reaction. Then we'll do some hard pull. I mean, this exhaust is it's really, it's hit or miss for me. Some days I feel like it's loud as hell, other days I don't. I don't know. All right, fellas, we got fog lights now. Hell yeah. Definitely completely transformed look of this car. These lights, these Raxiom headlights, man, they're good too. It just looks so much, the whole car just looks so much more impressive with the fogs on it. Like it looks so much more aggressive with the fogs. Look at that. Hell yeah, that's what I'm talking about. So much better with the fogs. Yes. I don't know how that guy was driving around without the fogs for this long. You can't have the 2004 Mustang GT without fogs. I got the smoked fog as well. God damn, that looks good. Or at least I think it looks good. That's all that matters. Back here. I don't know about that fourth brake light, bro. Or the third brake light. I'm actually gonna set this up right now. Alright, so if we're lucky, the third brake light will turn on. This looks badass. Like, I'm sorry, fellas, this is... Whew. This looks meaner than the BRZ going down the street with those glands. Even with the intercooler exposed, this looks meaner. 100%. Wait till I get an intercooler on this car. Oh god. This looks damn good. And it's not even a Cobra bumper, which I'm not going to put on this car. But this looks damn good. Ugh. If I got the fog lights the same color as the DRLs, I don't know. Like I kind of just like the way it looks like this. This looks damn good. I'll get my phone out for this. Gotta go on Snapchat, no cap. Hell yeah. I'm gonna get one more showcase with the lights on. Literally completely transformed the way this car looks. Alright guys, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you drop a like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. We'll catch you guys in the next one. Deuces.